Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, we're going to show you how you can set up Google Authenticator on Bybit. So first up, open your browser and then go to bybit.com. And here just need to log in with your account. Now once you log in, you can now click on the profile icon at the top right and then click on this account and security. Now on this page, you just need to scroll down. Now here under advanced protection, go to Google two-factor authentication and then click on the settings button at the right side of your screen. Now, as you can see here, you just need to enter here the verification code that be sent into your Gmail. So go to Gmail and copy the code right here and then paste it right over here. Once done, click on confirm. And then from here, set up Google two-factor authentication. The first step here, you just need to download Google Authenticator on your Android or iOS if you're using iOS device. Second step here, add key phrase into Google Authenticator and remember the key phrase. Basically, once you download the Google Authenticator, you just need to open that and then click on add code right there. And then you just have to scan the code right from here on your screen. Once you scan that code, then a authenticator code will show up on your mobile and then just have to enter right over here. For example, so like this one, and then click on confirm button. Right? So as you can see, it is now enabled. Now, if I'm going to lag out, for example, right here, and then click on the lag out button, basically right here at the bottom part. So click on lag out. And here we're going to try to log in again, right? And then as you can see here, it shows you the security verification. So you just need to open your Google Authenticator and then input the code right here, and you will automatically log in with your account. So that's it. That's how you basically add or set up your Google Authenticator on Bybit. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.